Hello everybody, it's me Jennifer, and today I'm here with Sassy Beans 03. She has a wonderful channel and it has lots of fun things on it for kids, for mostly kids. There's a few things for older people, and she has a wonderful car collection. And here is something that's right now in our stores. I'll let you see it and she'll talk to you about it. Ah, there it is. Okay, folks.
So, I made this, and it is a page
Here comes the dog.
that you can organize your Hot Wheel cards with if you like to keep the cards like me. A lot of Hot Wheel collectors, they will keep unopened packages, and I might do that in the future, but like I just like to keep the cards so I know what I have and I can keep it in track and stuff. So up here I put the car name. This one's called Shark Bite, and then the car number within the whole 250 Hot Wheel cars of 2024. And then here I put the mini collection, which is this right here, and it's Hot Wheels Megabytes, and the number that it is the first one in the little mini collection. Now, my mom, she added one more thing because I remembered that I needed to add that, was a place for colors. So if you have like two different colors, I have this car, but I have it in two different colors. I just used a different color pen for right now until I use up all the pages that I already have. And then I'll update it with the color one. But yeah, I have this one in red and blue, but if you had the page that said the color on it, you just write it right there.
So how does this work when you print out? I know I could see, can you show them the picture of the triangles?
Oh yeah, so I have a bunch of different colored paper, and these triangles here, you put 3 of them on your page right here, like this.
She's got it in a page protector, so yeah. Maybe she can take one out and show you. So you just like, what do? You put some glue here?
Yeah, I just glued it.
Okay.
And then you can take out, if you want to read the back, the mini collection, a description, or there's another card that I have that has like notes from the, like creator of the vehicle. So
special info.
I think maybe this one has one. Yeah, so like I made it where the cards are removable so you can read whatever's on the back. And there's a little note there, but that's basically
That's how it works.
And then it's in a nice organized manner instead of just in a Ziploc bag that I've been keeping of these. And I think it's better this way if you're collecting Hot Wheels and you want to play with your Hot Wheels. I like playing with mine, not just keep them in the
there's
container.
So much you can do with them.
Yeah,
Tracks and all kinds of things.
but like if you still want to have like a good collection type thing, you can just save the card that you bought it with and then put it on this paper that I made.
Yep. Thank you, Zoe from Sassy Beans 03, for showing us. If you want to see more of her collection and what she does with them, then head on over to her channel. I'll see you later and have fun. You can find this in my shop. There will be a link below in the description. And if I somehow forget, you can just go to Pastor's Wife Digiprint on Etsy and find it there. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.